Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be talking about estate planning and inheritance, protecting your wealth for future generations. The legacy we leave behind is an important part of our lives that we often neglect until it's too late. It's essential to plan for the future, not only for ourselves but for our loved ones as well. Estate planning and inheritance are crucial components of building a lasting legacy. It's never too early to start planning and laying the foundation for your future and the future of those you love. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy, it is a necessary step for everyone who wants to ensure their legacy and assets are protected. In this video, we'll explore the importance of estate planning and inheritance, and how it can help you build a lasting legacy that will benefit your loved ones for years to come. Introduction to estate planning and inheritance. Estate planning involves the strategic organization and management of your assets, properties, and finances while you are alive, as well as the distribution of these resources upon your passing. It encompasses creating a will, establishing trusts, designating beneficiaries, and appointing guardians for minor children, among other crucial decisions. Inheritance, on the other hand, refers to the transfer of assets and properties to heirs after the death of the owner. It is the culmination of thoughtful estate planning, where the wishes and intentions of the deceased are carefully carried out. Inheritance can involve monetary assets, real estate, investments, personal belongings, and even sentimental items with deep emotional value. By engaging in estate planning and considering the intricacies of inheritance, you are able to shape your legacy and provide for your loved ones in a meaningful way. It allows you to maintain control over your assets, minimize potential conflicts among family members, and ensure that your wishes are respected and followed. Estate planning and inheritance are not limited to the wealthy or elderly. Regardless of your age or financial status, having a comprehensive plan in place is vital. It offers peace of mind, protects your loved ones from unnecessary legal complications, and enables a smooth transition of your assets. In the following sections of this video, we will delve deeper into the various aspects of estate planning and inheritance. We will explore the legalities involved, discuss the benefits of early planning, and provide valuable insights into how you can create a lasting legacy that reflects your values and priorities. Remember, estate planning and inheritance are not just about money and possessions, they are about safeguarding your family's future, preserving your values, and leaving a positive impact for generations to come. So let's embark on this journey together and uncover the importance of building a lasting legacy through proper estate planning and inheritance strategies. Why estate planning is important for building a lasting legacy. One of the primary reasons why estate planning is important is because it allows individuals to have control over the distribution of their assets after they pass away. Without a proper plan in place, the fate of your hard-earned wealth and belongings may be left in the hands of the legal system, causing potential disputes and delays for your loved ones. By engaging in estate planning, you can ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. You can designate beneficiaries for specific assets, create trusts to protect your assets and provide for your family members, and even establish provisions for charitable donations, if that aligns with your values. Another important aspect of estate planning is minimizing taxes and expenses. Without proper planning, your estate may be subject to hefty taxes, which can significantly diminish the value of your assets. By utilizing strategies such as establishing trusts, gifting assets during your lifetime, or setting up life insurance policies, you can potentially reduce the tax burden on your estate, allowing your loved ones to inherit more. Estate planning is not just about the distribution of financial assets. It also encompasses important decisions regarding healthcare and end-of-life wishes. Through documents such as a living will or healthcare proxy, you can outline your preferences for medical treatment and appoint someone you trust to make decisions on your behalf if you are unable to do so. By taking the time to engage in estate planning, you are not only ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of, but you are also leaving behind a lasting legacy. Your values, beliefs, and dreams can be preserved through the provisions and instructions you include in your estate plan, allowing future generations to understand and carry forward your vision. Estate planning is also an essential step in building a lasting legacy. It provides peace of mind, allows for the orderly distribution of assets, minimizes taxes and expenses, and ensures that your wishes are respected. Regardless of age or financial status, everyone can benefit from the importance of estate planning and the impact it has on their legacy. Understanding the components of estate planning, wills, trusts, and power of attorney. A will is perhaps the most well-known component of estate planning. It is a legal document that outlines how your assets will be distributed after your passing. It allows you to designate beneficiaries, appoint an executor to carry out your wishes, and even specify guardianship for minor children. Creating a will ensures that your assets are distributed in a manner that aligns with your values and intentions. Another important aspect of estate planning is the establishment of trusts. Trusts are legal entities that hold and manage assets on behalf of beneficiaries. They offer added flexibility and control over the distribution of assets, allowing you to set specific conditions or timelines for distribution. Trusts can also provide protection from creditors, minimize estate taxes, and maintain privacy, making them a valuable tool in estate planning. In addition to wills and trusts, it is essential to consider power of attorney. This legal document grants someone you trust the authority to make financial or healthcare decisions on your behalf in the event that you become incapacitated. By designating a power of attorney, you ensure that your affairs are managed by someone who understands your wishes and can act in your best interests. Understanding the components of estate planning is the first step towards building a lasting legacy. It allows you to take control of your assets, protect your loved ones, and ensure that your wishes are carried out. Consulting with an experienced estate planning attorney can help you navigate the complexities of these components and create a comprehensive plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. The potential consequences of not having an estate plan. One of the most significant consequences of not having an estate plan is that your assets may not be distributed according to your wishes. Without clear instructions, your estate will be subject to the laws of intestacy, which vary by jurisdiction. This means that your assets may be divided in a way that you never intended, potentially causing strife and disputes among your beneficiaries. Another consequence of not having an estate plan is that it can lead to unnecessary taxes and expenses. Estate taxes and probate costs can quickly erode the value of your estate, leaving less for your loved ones. By implementing effective estate planning strategies, you can minimize the tax burden and ensure that more of your assets are passed on to your beneficiaries. Not having an estate plan can leave your loved ones in a state of uncertainty and confusion during an already difficult time. Without clear instructions, they may not know how to handle your affairs, including managing your financial assets, paying off debts, or making important healthcare decisions. This can add unnecessary stress and strain to an already emotional situation. Lastly, not having an estate plan can result in a lack of protection for your minor children or dependents. If something were to happen to you, the court may have to appoint a guardian for your children without your input. By including provisions for guardianship in your estate plan, you can ensure that your children are cared for by someone you trust. The potential consequences of not having an estate plan are far-reaching and can have a lasting impact on your loved ones. By taking the time to create a comprehensive estate plan, you can protect your assets, minimize taxes and expenses, provide clear instructions for your loved ones, and ensure a lasting legacy for generations to come. Planning for the future, identifying your goals and priorities. Consider your financial goals, such as providing for your family's financial security, funding your children's education, or supporting charitable causes that are close to your heart. Think about your personal values and how you want to pass them on to future generations. Do you want to instill a strong work ethic, promote education and knowledge, or emphasize the importance of giving back to the community? Identifying your goals and priorities will help you make important decisions regarding the distribution of your assets, selecting guardians for minor children, and establishing trusts or endowments. It will also guide you in choosing the right estate planning tools and strategies to achieve your desired outcomes. Planning for the future allows you to anticipate and address potential challenges or complications that may arise. For example, if you have a family business, you may need to consider succession planning to ensure a smooth transition of leadership and ownership. If you have complex family dynamics or beneficiaries with special needs, you may need to incorporate specific provisions in your estate plan to address their unique circumstances. By taking the time to identify your goals and priorities, you can create a comprehensive estate plan that reflects your wishes and provides a roadmap for your loved ones to follow. This thoughtful approach not only ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes but also helps to preserve your legacy and the values you hold dear. We hope you found our video on the importance of estate planning and inheritance informative and eye-opening. Planning for the future and ensuring a lasting legacy is not just about financial matters, but also about securing your loved one's well-being and honoring your values. By following the steps outlined in this article, you can take control of your estate and leave a meaningful inheritance that reflects your wishes. Remember, estate planning is not just for the wealthy, it is for everyone who wants to protect their loved ones and create a lasting impact. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and kindly click on the notification button for next video.